Hi guys, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, FinTech with Team Bees. I hope you're making cool cash over there. If this is your first time visiting this channel, I would appreciate if you could subscribe to this channel and tap the notification bell so that YouTube can alert you once new video drops. Warm welcome to our returning subscribers and viewers. I hope you have a great time watching today's video. Stay tuned.
Yeah, hello guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can import or add your existing crypto wallet using your 12 seed phrases that you've saved before. So I know at once, sometimes ago, you might have opened a crypto wallet and you will have copied your seed phrases, either a 12 word or 24 word or 36 word seed phrases, and you've kept them safe. So right now, maybe you just got a new phone and you want to add or import that your old wallet, your existing wallet. So that is what we will be doing in this video. So currently, right now, let's make use of Trust Wallet. So I already have uh, a wallet that I will be importing in this video. So click on Trust Wallet because that is what I want to use. So it doesn't matter if you use MetaMask to create your wallet, if you use Token Pocket Wallet to create your wallet, if you use SafePal, it doesn't matter. So you can always import your wallets on any of the decentralized crypto wallets. I hope you get it right now. So you can always import your wallets on any of the decentralized crypto wallet that you have. So right now, let's open our Trust wallet. So authenticate. So right now, what are you going to do? You are going to click on here, direct investment. So I'm going to tell you one thing at the end of this video. So you click on where I circled. So select the drop down, click on it, the drop down. So you can see I have three different wallets here. So now you are going to click on this plus sign that you can see at the top right hand side of the screen. So click on that. So what you can see here, you can see create new wallet, add existing wallet. So we are not creating new wallet. We've already done that in a video. So I would recommend you should watch the video if you don't know how to create new wallets. So what are you going to do right now is to click on existing wallet, add existing wallet, because that is what we want to do. You already have a wallet already. Maybe you have 1 million US dollars in your wallet, your old wallet, and then you changed your phone or you got another phone. So and you want to import that wallet into the new phone that you're using. So right now, so just click on add existing wallet. So right now, what you can see here is asking you, how do you want to go about adding your existing wallet? So you have the secret phrase. Is it from the Google Drive backup? Or is it just to observe or to track assets of other wallets? So for the sake of this video, we are going with secret phrase, and I know you must have copied your secret phrase while you were creating that your old existing wallet. So if you don't have it, go and look for it. If you cannot get it, I'm sorry to say, you have already lost your assets. You can't get it anymore. So but just make sure you look for it very well so that you can still get to access your investment. So right now, click on secret phrase. So and then click on multi-coin wallet. So you click on multi-coin wallet. So as I've told you, doesn't matter any crypto wallet that you used while you were creating that old wallet. You can always use any app to import your wallet. So click on multi-coin wallets, because that is what you want to do, is a multi-coin wallet that you want to import. So click on it. So right now you are going to copy and paste, or you type in those 12 digit words or phrases that you've saved somewhere. It could be 18, it could be 24, depending on the app that you used for the existing old wallet. So, but in this case, I only have 12. So I'm going to type in. So I don't know, you might not be able to see this screen because of the security architecture of Trust Wallet, but I hope you are able to get it to this stage where you are not able to see it. So if you're following through the step on your own phone, also you should be able to catch up with what I am doing currently. So just copy and paste those 12 digits, 12 phrases that you have already saved before. So just click on restore wallet. I don't know if you can see my screen now. So just click on restore wallet after you have pasted the 12 words, 12 secret phrase. So click on restore wallet. So let's wait while it's loading. So right now, what can you see? You can see welcome aboard. Welcome aboard. Start using Trust Wallet. So your wallet is now ready to use. So you can dive in and start your crypto journey and stay secure. Stay secure. So that is very much important. So just click on start using Trust Wallet. So as you can see right now, what I intend to tell you before was that I did not delete this wallet. You can see it's still the same wallet that I started from, that I returned to. So that's to tell you that you can still import that same wallet that you are on in that same app. I hope you get it right now. So this is the wallet that I started with, but I've already copied the secret phrase already somewhere that I kept it safe. So right now, I now imported it again. I hope you get it right now. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly give us a thumbs up. And if you're yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe to this channel and put on your notification bell so that YouTube can alert you of subsequent videos that we will be uploading. Until next time, do have a nice day. Bye.